As the world faces this pandemic, it is clearer than ever how interconnected we are. The focus right now, rightly, is on the current crisis. But the threat of climate change is still looming, and like the pandemic, it knows no borders. If we want to flatten that curve, we need to act now. Fortunately for us, nature already has a way. We just need to harness it. For billions of years, rain falling on volcanic rocks has slowly broken the rocks down, and when the minerals flow to the ocean, a reaction takes place that removes CO2 from the atmosphere. This natural process is normally slow, but we know a way to safely speed it up, using the power of ocean waves. Enter Project Vesta. Our vision is to make beautiful green sand beaches all over the world to capture CO2 at scale. And with 2% of the world's shelf seas, we could capture 100% of human emissions, turning the tide on climate change. Our plan is this. If we take an abundantly available volcanic rock called olivine, grind it up, and create green sand beaches, nature will take care of the rest. Olivine sand breaks down from natural wave action at the beach. As the olivine breaks down, CO2 is removed from the air and becomes bicarbonate, which is used by marine organisms in their shells and ends up as limestone on the ocean floor. And the process also helps deacidify the ocean. Only Mother Nature could come up with a solution to the climate crisis that is this elegant. We humans just need to make more of these green sand beaches, like this natural one in Hawaii at Papakolea. Thankfully, the process is cheap, efficient, and permanent. Because we are using natural wave energy to grind down the olivine, we can capture 20 times the carbon we emit in making the beaches. There are many possible solutions to climate change, but this one accelerates a natural process and could be used cheaply worldwide to remove massive amounts of our emissions from the atmosphere. This all may seem too good to be true, but there's over 30 years of research that has been put into this, and now it's time to test what we already know works in the lab and prove that it works in the ocean. But much like when creating a vaccine for a global pandemic, you still want to make sure it works and it's safe before it's implemented on a global scale. Project Vesta's process is no different. We want to study everything that happens on our pilot beach. We hope to see a positive impact on CO2 levels in less than a year, at which time we anticipate you may start seeing more beautiful green beaches popping up all around the world. It will take a global effort to solve this global crisis. As a nonprofit, we rely on donations. Any amount will help to fund the first beaches.